Hello everybody, this is Dominic from Sir Henry's and I am the 3-minute shaver. Wanted to redo one of my videos for the basic lathering of our soap, or really any good quality shaving soap. A lot of beginners struggle to get the lather just right, and wanted to help you out again this morning. So today I'm going to lather up our sandalwood soap. Available on our website as well as Amazon. Just want to remind you not to put water directly in the bowl. You want to dip your brush just a little bit, get it damp. You can lather right in the container if you want. If you want to take a little bit out, you can take a little bit and put it in a shaving bowl or a mug. But really, the container is a little bit oversized for that purpose. That's the way a lot of soaps come. You can see we're getting a good lather here. You want it to be thick and creamy. You don't want it to be overly runny or have a lot of big bubbles. The thing is if you do the lathering a little bit longer, you can work those bubbles out when you do get them. You can see this is nice and thick. You can build up more volume. If it looks like it's too sticky, just give that dip a little bit more of that brush a little more of a dip. Get a little bit more water in there, but just do not overdo the water. So as you can see, this really gets nice and thick and creamy. You want that thick, creamy kind of yogurt, sour cream texture. Just remember not to overdo the water. Number one mistake guys make. This is going to be a bowl lathering technique. Another technique you can use is you can load up your brush without really swirling around a lot in the bowl, then paint it on your face. And as you paint it on your face, you're lathering up as well. So as you can see, I'm getting a lot more lather built up. This is called face lathering. So a lot of guys will swirl. You can paint, but you can see that lather building up, so you'll get a nice close comfortable shave. Those are some really good basics in under 3 minutes. If you ever have any questions, you can post them right here under the video. We look forward to seeing you on our website. And for the 3-minute shaver, I'm Dominic, and you guys have a great day.